Everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about the top 3 stocks that all of you should be keeping in your watches for today. I'm also going to be answering some of you guys' questions like we always do here on this channel. Now, before we begin, do not forget to annihilate the like button on your way in. And also don't forget to click on that subscribe button along with that notification bell. That way you don't miss out on these videos, right? So let's begin. Right off the bat, we got SPY over here, and so far we're down by negative 0.46%. The Nasdaq is down by 0.80%, and right now the trend is still the same. The trend is still bearish. We drop first, we consolidate, we may even have a little pop, and then we drop again, and then we consolidate. Like whether we see a pop to like 4,500 before we collapse again to 44, I think it's gonna do one of two ways. It's either going to drop very slowly at the open, right, and just tank, and then everything is just going to drop and just tank, right, very smoothly, and or it's gonna play games. It's going to go up here, go at 4,500, right, chill out there for a while, may convince you that everything's gonna be good, right? You're gonna have a smile on your face. You're gonna be like, oh, this is a reversal. Let's go have lunch. Let's take our eyes off the market. Then as soon as you do that, the rug pull happen and we tank all the way down. See? So you pay attention to what you're doing today. Pay attention to what you're doing today. All right? Pay attention, because it's been the common trend. It's been a common trend. Watch what you're doing. The market is still bearish, and I think we go lower. Right now, the first stock that y'all should be keeping in your watches for today, that stock is CCJ. CCJ this time, not CCG. All right, now, regarding this stock, I shared this one a while ago. I shared this one pretty early with y'all. I think I shared it when it was at like 22.70 something. I think it was on this day or on that day. I told you all to watch this thing for a short, for a very basic reason, a very simple reason, because of the not that, because of the reverse head and shoulders on the chart right here, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and so far it's been very choppy. Like I'm pretty sure a lot of people are pissed off that every single sell-off that it gets bought up, but it stays in bearish territory. It's still very bearish, and this is like one of the first days that it's about to open up a little bit lower towards 21.14, and yeah, so it's very simple. The main thing today is to watch that thing for a drop, for the gap fill at $21, well, at like $20.75, and then even lower to retest that neckline. I think that's going to happen today. I think. Now, could it break below the neckline? Could it actually get below here on Monday? That's a maybe. And I feel like market makers might actually do that. Market makers might actually do it. They might be that mean and that cunning, where they're going to drop everything, right? And then over here, where people who may not have too much experience in the market are like, oh, we got the confirmation to actually short. And then they're gonna go over here because the confirmation is the break of the neckline. Like usually, well, on the basic level, I guess, is the confirmation of the breakdown, right, all the way down, and it could break down, like it could go all the way down to $17 even. But shorting over here instead of over here or over here, it's very dangerous and in the emotional place. So it's best to short here and then collect some money as it goes down, just in case this happens, right? That way you don't lose at all. But if you go over here and then there is this thing that happens, then you're just pissed off and you're mad and you think that, oh, patterns don't work and everything is a scam and everything is garbage. Well, no, you gotta execute it the right way. So definitely watch this one for a drop to the neckline at least. Could it go lower? Maybe. Could it go lower to 19? Maybe. All right, but we'll see. That's for another video, so watch this one. Now the next one that we're going to talk about in this video, we're going to talk about MRVL. All right, And Marvel is a wonderful stock. We've been watching it for a long time. And yesterday, it actually showed a very clean pattern yesterday, which was right here. As you can see on the 1 hour, it was chilling, consolidating over here, and then it broke down right there. It broke down at the same time as Dollar Tree broke down, and we took some puts on Dollar Tree. Some people took some people re-entered this one as well because we had recovered in the beginning because of the choppiness, and the contract got cheaper anyways, right? And then when it got back to the same price, then I kind of made my decision to just go with Dollar Tree. And some people even got back into Marvel. So it's down. I think it's gonna collapse all the way down to 71. I think it's not done yet. Could it go even lower to 71? Maybe, right? But yeah, the trend is bearish. So keep your puts. Again, y'all have been watching these videos for the past few days, maybe the past few months, and you know that this is one that I shared with all of you over here at $78, and right now it's at 73, and I think it's gonna go lower. There's more money to be made on here, so people collect it back. All right, now the last one that we're going to talk about in today's video. Wait, I said Marvel, CCJ. Oh, Netflix. The third one is Netflix. The last one is Netflix. Definitely keep Netflix on your watch list for a collapse. Yeah, so Netflix had terrible earnings. Again, I talked about this one yesterday too. To watch this one, people who get puts or who had strangles slash straddles are going to get paid. It looking like it's going to roll over again. Yesterday, I told y'all to watch this thing for a drop all the way down to at least 385. I think I said 385. I think I did. It may drop to, let me just make that a little bit bigger, right? So pre-market, it dropped to the lows of 398. So I think it's going to retest that and may even break it, all right? So yeah, definitely watch it for like this low, this region, before there is like some bounce, I think. But after a nasty move like that, usually most earnings that have a nasty move like this, what they do is just go straight down. It goes straight down and then it consolidates for months, right? So even if you're trying to dip buy it, like if you dip buying it, you may as well consider doing shares rather than contracts, because contracts may not move as well as you think it will. So yeah, just keep that in mind. I am still bearish on it, at least for the first like hour for Netflix. That's my honest thoughts on this stock. And the market is about to open in like what, 22 minutes. Yeah, I'm gonna end the video right now, that way I can release it early. And that is the end of the video. Again, do not forget to annihilate the like button for the YouTube algorithm. As always, it helps the channel a lot and allows more people to get this knowledge as well. Also, if you are new to the channel and you haven't done so already, definitely click on subscribe and click on the notification bell along with all notifications. That way you don't miss out on these pre-market analysis videos, which are released from Monday to Friday at exactly 8:20. This one may be released at like 8:23. Yeah. Alright, and the post-market analysis videos, which are released every single day in the afternoon. If you'd like to be part of a private Discord community, that way you can get all of these charts in advance, you can find that as the first link in the description of the video below. If you're not following us on social media, you can find me at NGumah and at PATTERNOLOGY LAB on Instagram and on Twitter. And lastly, if all of this is brand new to you, if you're interested in getting started in the stock market, I left some very basic step-by-step directions in the description of the video below. Step 1 to step 3. It only takes about 15 minutes or less for you to get set up with all the tools you need to start trading immediately. You can also get 2 free stocks valued up to $1,850 right after signing up with Webull using the third link in the description of the video below. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, my name is NGumah with PATTERNOLOGY LAB, where we trade patterns and patterns only. And I will see all of you in the next video.